very exciting day today. It is day 1 of the ASFX retreat. You're going to look at this and you're going to get scared if you're watching the shorter time frame. If they're divergent, one's going up, one's going down, you've got divergence. Yeah. And that's what this is. This D2 is the change of trend. It's not the trend trade. An 800 EMA is on top, so that feeds the short bias. See L50s in the sell zone all day? That question is the same answer to
I never expected to, get along so well with everybody.
I'm really thankful that I met the guys and the people that I met here. Like, I really feel like I made new friends.
The fellowship, the bonding, the connections that were made here are going to be lifelong connection.
Multiple day aspect of it, it makes you feel like really a lot closer with everybody.
About 15 to 20 people together, whatever it was, 17 people together. They could be friends forever now just because of this event, sleeping together in the same house for a couple of days, That's pretty fucking cool.